They are supplied by vessels traversing Bermuda Triangle. Okay. Wala akong makitang possible indicator. Vessel, pwedeng containing ang vessel. Traversing Bermuda. Kung triangle, okay, kung triangle ang definition, sides. Mali. Mali. Angle. Check. Mali. Traversing, parang dumaan. Okay. They're supplied by wait lang. Kung ang definition is they're supplied by vessels, ang naisip ko is blood vessel. Blood. Check. Mali. Pero possible hindi siya boat na vessel ang minimin niya dito. Traversing, pwedeng hidden ang traversing. So ang answer is nasa Bermuda Triangle. Feel ko parang ganun sa blood vessels ganun. Atria. Parang artery, atria. I don't know. Check. Yes! So, tama. Traversing is a hidden indicator. So, between Bermuda Triangle, ang answer is atria. Parang artery, I don't know. Mga medical terms nito. But, yun nga. They supplied by vessels. Bye.